Hello everyone. In this video, I'll share the best ways by which you can earn with the help of Quora Partner Program. So Quora Partner Program is one of the things what Quora has launched recently, and yes, you can earn good amount of money with the help of Quora Partner Program. And yes, throughout the video, I'll share the best ways and how you can get paid with the help of Quora Partner Program. So before that, if you are watching me for the very first time, I am Tapesh from tapeshchaudhary.com, and in this channel I talk about affiliate marketing, making money online, and various other cool ways by which you can generate your first income over online. So if you are interested to make money online, make sure you people subscribe to my channel and also click on bell icon so that whenever I release new videos I can send notification to you people. So throughout the video we will learn these things like what is Quora Partner Program and how we can answer, how we can question, and how we will get paid. I will discuss everything, each and every questions what is related to Quora Partner Program and what you need to know before joining this Quora Partner Program, and how you can monetize your Quora account with the help of your partner program. First things first, before jumping into the program, what is Quora Partner Program? This is my Quora profile. If you are into Quora, you can follow me on Quora, and I have answered nearly around more than 100 questions so far. And yes, I am not active from this particular profile, but yes, I'm planning to work on this particular profile as well, and I generally answer to those people making money online, affiliate marketing, and different kind of things from this particular profile. And yes, I have couple of other profiles as well, which are mainly for driving traffic to my different blog posts or different blogs. If I talk about a little bit what is Quora Partner Program, so like for example, if we are talking about any example of YouTube, and in YouTube creators are creating the contents and advertisers are paying money for different ads, and the same way, for example, in Quora also, if you are asking any kind of questions or answering any kind of questions and related to that question or answer, they have their advertisers. And yes, if you are monetizing, if you are giving a right answer, if you are giving a valuable answer, or maybe if you are asking what is the most important question and most relevant question to that particular advertiser, and there are chances that you will get paid. So let me show you what is this exactly. So I'm going to my home, and in home I have seen, this is this particular ad. So in the same way you can see there are different kind of advertisers who are paying money to Quora, and if your question is related to this particular thing, maybe if you are maybe something, for example, if you are into health and fitness, and some advertiser is investing money on health and fitness related products, then the visitors, the viewer will see their particular ad, and yes, they can go to their particular website. In the same way we will also find some other ads as well. So in Quora there are different kind of advertisers, and yes, you can earn good amount of money if you are relevant, if you are giving that relevant questions and answers. And yes, the people are earning good amount of money with the help of different advertisers, and by answering correctly or maybe by questioning correctly on this particular platform. So now question is, why Quora is paying for asking question and answers? Thing is that, as I said already, there are different kind of advertisers who want to advertise on Quora, and Quora is a huge big platform of traffic where people are asking different kind of questions, different kind of answers. Yes, and thing is that if your question is relevant to that particular topic, what the requester, what the advertiser is asking, then you are getting paid for that. For example, I am an affiliate marketer, and I am advertising on Quora related to affiliate marketing, or maybe I am promoting any of my blog post on Quora, and it is related to affiliate marketing. Just for an example, my ad will show to all the questions what is relevant to my product or maybe affiliate marketing. So my money will be distributed to all the questions, all the answers, like who are answering the questions and who are asking the questions, maybe answering and asking. If you are requesting for the question what is already present, then also there are chances that you will get paid. So things that advertisers are paying, and those people who are communicating, those people who are using this platform maybe for asking questions or maybe for answering questions, they are getting paid. This is so easy and simple. And yes, what are the factors? There are different kind of factors. One thing is internal traffic, and one more thing is external traffic. So for example, this is a question, and yes, I am logging into my Quora profile, and after that I found this question. This is considered as internal traffic. In the same way, if I'm typing this question on Google and I found this answer of Quora, this is called as external traffic. So understand there are two kind of traffic. One is internal traffic and one is external traffic. So if you are asking any kind of questions, or if you are answering any kind of questions which is more relevant to external traffic, means Google is driving traffic to Quora, and your chances of getting revenue is high because CPC is high. And the main reason is that because Quora people, they want their people to involve their platform, they want their people to be on their platform. So it doesn't matter if anyone is searching the answer on Google or Yahoo or Bing. So if the answer is driving traffic to their platform, that is Quora, then the chances are more that you will get paid high because CPC rate is high and Quora loves it. Okay, so next thing, how you can join the Quora partner program. As of now, Quora partner program, they are on invitation basis, means people from Quora will request you to become their partner. And thing is that I'll give you the link in the description. Thing is that you cannot become partner so easily, you have to get invitation. And one more thing is that those people who are already partner, they can request, they can help you out if they can send any invitation, and if you are eligible, then you can answer, you can become a partner of Quora. And thing is that I'll give you the link in the description as well, so that you people can go through with the Quora partner program FAQs and how you can join the Quora partner program. And thing is that I have a couple of, as I said, I have a couple of other Quora accounts for my different blogs, and one of them has got invitation because I have answered nearly around 350 questions, and yes, 350 questions or maybe 375, somewhere around that. So from this account I have answered nearly around 100 questions. So maybe after I complete 200 of questions, I'll submit this profile for Quora partner program. And yes, the chances are more because you are communicating, you are giving value to this particular website, and they loves it. Okay, so this is what you have to do. And how much you can earn as of now in Quora, you can earn nearly around $500 to $600 per month. But thing is that for that you have to nearly around write 30 to 50 number of questions every single day. This is very important, and I have also covered this part. You have to write nearly around 30 to 50 questions every single day. This is very important. Yes, you have to be consistent, then only you will get paid in Quora. And yes, maybe for example, if you have answered any of the question today, and it will be valid for generating revenue for next 1 year. So if you are answering nearly around 30 questions at the end of the year, how many in 365 days, how many questions you will be answered, or maybe how many questions you will be asked so far. Think in long term way, guys. So I hope I was able to clear the concept of Quora partner program. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you people subscribe, and also press on bell icon so that whenever I release new videos, I can send notification to all the people. And thank you so much for watching the whole video. Have a great day.